Good morning. Today is the 22nd of July. We just woke up in our quarantine hotel and we just got our breakfast.
For their safety, and some of them are making calls to their colleagues to tell them to say goodbye to their families, which is...
Hey guys, so we just finished our morning yoga and now we have to do a COVID test. Last time I did maybe four or five PCR tests, but this time we have to do one, like a rapid test every single day. And then we have to mark it down on this piece of paper. Let's do it. Our hotel has a happy hour every day at 5, and today we got some wine and popcorn. Enjoying?
Yes, very much.
Hey, today is Saturday the 23rd, I think. I am not sure anymore. We just got a text saying that the health people are right now on their way to our room to take the PCR test. And let's hope it's negative. It's now about 3 o'clock and we had lunch a couple hours ago. Now we're waiting for a happy hour to start, and our hotel has a daily step challenge, which means that we have to walk around this room and get at least 10,000 steps. And the point of the challenge is that when you finish, you get a free drink. So that's nice.
2 hours later.
So we just finished the challenge and now we're waiting for our free drinks. I'm gonna take a shower now and then I don't know what we're gonna do. I'm getting a bit bored. I feel like time goes by a little bit slower this time than the first time. I think it's because last time I knew I was going to be here for 2 weeks and now it's only one, so that's why time goes by a bit slower. But it's okay, we'll figure something fun to do. It's Saturday, so I think we're gonna drink a couple beers.
Yeah.
We got 2 more. What? We got only 1 more?
What the fuck is this? Where's my fucking drink?
Oh, okay.
Hi, today is Monday the 25th. We have 2 days of quarantine left and we just got our lunch and it looks super good. As always, the food here is always really good.
It's 5 o'clock and yoga is about to start, and our room is so small that what we do is I'm gonna yoga right here, and let me show you where Henry is doing yoga. He is in the bathroom floor.
Hi, today is the 6th day of our quarantine. We have just been working out. Abby is doing the 10,000 steps challenge again. I'm trying to do 300 push-ups myself. We just ordered our last special dinner for tomorrow since it's the last day, and we ordered 2 cheeseburgers and we get a free margarita as well. And tonight in the evening we will just probably get a few beers and play this escape room board game. Bye.
Just finished the step challenge. Henry is taking a shower. Apparently he finished his push-ups, I don't know. Waiting for our dinner, and we just got our happy hour drinks and snacks. Today we got again some wine, and then we got these super good spring rolls. And honestly, I cannot wait to get out. It's been such a long week, but one more day left. I am so happy. I am so done. I just want to get out and enjoy the city. This has been a really long week. Lunchtime.
Yay!
I got a soup and you got pasta.
Yeah.
Last day in quarantine, and now we're about to do our last COVID test, but we do still need to take 2 PCR tests once we're out, so it doesn't end here.
Yeah.
So originally we were supposed to leave the quarantine hotel tomorrow morning at 9, but now change of plans. We just got a call from the reception and we can actually leave today at midnight. So after the dinner, like the special last dinner we have, we are getting the fuck out of this hotel. How are you feeling about this?
Yay, freedom, let us out, bitch. Tuli jo nopeasti. Bon appetit.
We have 1 hour until we can exit the hotel. So now we're just packing up everything, getting ready. And we just finished the sparkling wine. So we are feeling really nice. How about you?
Yeah, let's fucking go. Yeah? I'm fine, thank you. yeah. Bye. Bye.
Leaving the quarantine hotel now.
Amen.
Bye bye. Yay! We are outside. It's like 30 degrees outside. I'm sweating already. I've been here for 2 minutes and I'm sweating, but I am so excited to be out. Now we're gonna get a taxi or an Uber and go to our hotel in Central. Are you hot?
No, enjoying it. I love it. It's nice. It's not warm, and I'm not sweating. Not at all.
We are at the harbor. I think it's like 3 in the morning, maybe 4 in the morning. And we're just chilling here, talking and enjoying Hong Kong.